and it is September 1st. It's hurricane season. Hurricane Harvey's threat now spreading to Louisiana and Tennessee.
Yep, and as Texas struggles to recover from the catastrophic flooding it's experiencing right now, a new storm is rapidly gaining strength over the Atlantic. Is this a misprint in the teleprompter? No. Hurricane Irma now upgraded to a Category 3.
Wow. Meteorologist Janice Dean is live in studio tracking its path. I'm convinced she never sleeps. Janice, good morning.
We're going to be watching several storms in the next week or so. This is what's left of Harvey. I just want to make mention we had several reports of tornadoes, a damaging one in Tuscaloosa yesterday. Now we're going to see the remnants move across the Ohio River Valley and the Mid-Atlantic, the Northeast. Upwards of 4 to 6 inches still possible with this system, and we're unfortunately going to see a part of Harvey as we get into the long weekend for the Northeast. Hurricane Irma, all eyes on Irma, and will be for the next several days. It has the potential to become one of the strongest storms we have seen. I think we could actually be up to a Cat 5 in the next 5 days. Not saying it'll make landfall as a Cat 5, but, you know, strengthening to that would be pretty amazing. Here's the steering pattern. We've got the Bermuda high out here. If this high remains strong, then the path is going to move more westward. If the high breaks down, then we're going to see a curve, and the East Coast could be impacted. So those are the steering currents we're going to watch. Here's the European model. This one has been very good, very reliable. Heading through Tuesday, watching the Lesser Antilles, certainly Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic, Cuba, and the Bahamas. But looks like this curves and comes very close to the southeast coast. Now, if I could, real quick, I just want to show you the GFS. The GFS is now in agreement that we think the East Coast could be impacted, more likely perhaps than Florida or the Gulf of Mexico. This one brings it very close to the Mid-Atlantic on Sunday. So I'm not saying that this is the outcome. I am just saying be prepared. Don't want to scare. Be prepared. East Coast, Florida, Gulf Coast, and then we have another one behind this one coming off the coast of Africa right now that will be a hurricane.
Wow.
Wow, another one. The good thing is, though, you have September 10th up on the graphic, which means we have 10 days to prepare for this.
Absolutely. That's a very good point, Ainsley. We have time to prepare people.
And you don't want it to hit anywhere, but the previous projections had shown it going into the Gulf, potentially the same spot.
We still
a little bit of good news there.
A week out, we don't have enough confidence. All I want people to do is know what to do if you have a hurricane on your doorstep.
Right. I'm for leaving it in the ocean. I would prefer that. I'd prefer big waves.